system.
Take 4.
The Salmon Tremor Fountain.
Okay.
So we got all the confetti and all the parachutes.
We're
We're good at this game.
We got like 5 more fountains to go, and we're done.
I don't know, right off.
Oh, cool. Here goes.
So we got all the confetti and all the parachutes. Wow. Everything a little bit to the side is the actual.
Good job cleaning that.
Oh, I like the red light. Well, I think not all the confetti, some confetti were looking like that. But we have that one down there.
Yay!
Phantom Treasure Mountain. Have you seen the big finale?
Not yet. We haven't. We're gonna see it. Go. Go. We got 3 more small fountains in the finale. Then we got smoke bombs. We don't need the smoke things to go off anymore. I'm not big on those.
Part of me, Mom, part of me thinks that they're the ones you can actually just pick up and like carry around.
Ah, your Phantom Treasure Mountain.
Phantom treasure. The Phantom. The Phantom knows. Oh, he's a good green Phantom.
Oh, I like that.
King of Bling is pretty.
I like that one.
I hear some sounds over there, right? This one's pretty. This one's a good one. There's pretty warm down there. Oh, is it? By the fire, yeah. I'm sure.
Yay.
The King of Bling.
I honestly like that one the best.
Really? I like that one that went on forever. Other one.
This is like the VIP seating.
I'm gonna
Go ahead.
Well, it was either that one or the early one that did go on forever, because that one was really nice. I kind of like the green smoke effect.
Yeah.
Oh, Van is too.
He's not a huge fan of the loud things.
King of Bling.
King of Bling. Okay.
I think those are gone.
Woo! Wow. Woo! Yeah! Go! Woo! Woo! Okay. Wow! Woo! Wow! I'm gonna back up and get it all in. Holy cow! Woo! That was awesome.
Sorry, headphone user.
Yeah. Turn down the volume. Turn down your volume on your headphones.
It didn't bother.
I have a new favorite one. I tell you that one.
Uproar.
That was my new favorite.
That one, then the one that went forever.
Yeah.
And then
Then that last one, yeah.
Phantom Uproar.
Okay, we got this one and then the grand finale.
There is a grand finale.
Grand finale's coming after this one.
Wow.
I think there's a couple more.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I thought that other one was the grand finale.
No, there's a big one.
This one.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
Oh wow. Oh geez.
Hey, Austin.
No, this is. Yeah,
This is Phantom Uproar.
Woo!
I like that ending.
Yep. Yep. All right, let's do the big one.
Woo!
Wait. No, we don't need the little fire. We'll keep.
Phantom
This is the last one. Last one.
Fountain.
we got smoke bombs and fire.
Yeah,
we don't
what
need to
if,
blow those
what
up.
if we put the smoke bombs around that?
No, let's just let it blow.
So big when he was little, and then he was little. His head and feet were big. My mother-in-law said, "Yeah, I would just big head."
Phantom Fountain.
This is the grand finale.
The name of the fireworks company we bought it from.
Holy cow.
Look at the fire! The flame! Oh, look at the flame.
I wouldn't trust that it's over yet. That's not over yet.
I'm just not gonna go near that in 2021.
I like the red and green. Oh wow.
Smoke up there.
This one's definitely my favorite.
Yeah, this is cool. There's a little of everything.
Now all we're waiting
It's
is
kinda-
for the
Kind of mixed all those other. Yay!
Well done.
Good job.
all we needed
So
was another.
snuff out.
Hey, David, stand back, honey. Come here. Keep your face. Michael,
That's the Phantom.
put a firework in it.
The camel smoke. Camel smoke. 4 of them. Well, as soon as it's going out, it's getting burnt.
smoke bombs in there, Jerry?
This is the parachutes. 31. There's a little bit of extra clip. Instead of just right after the grand finale. Remember.
Got the smoke bomb in us.
He was sleeping during the fireworks.
Like and subscribe.
Garrett,
Awesome.
are you going to post the smoke bomb in here?